Let us break the ice. First blood this year. Do you suffer for your art?
Now, kids, don't try this at home. I am a trained professional.
Time to break the ice. First video of the year. It's cold, everybody. Let's see what we got to show them. Got something in there. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Muddy water. Ooh, baby. What you got going on first thing of the year? I love you. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Y'all be geared up. We got a Arctic front coming. We're going to be cold for a few weeks. Make sure you got plenty of firewood. Check on the loved ones. And don't stick your hand in a whole bunch of sharp blades and frozen water. That's probably not a good thing to do. We love you. Mean it. See you. Bye.